Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be paycheck number 1 for the month of February. Yes, I skipped over January only because some of you guys know I was sick. And not only me, but it was both my kids, and we was sick each week. So I wasn't able to budget. I wasn't able to cash stuff. I wasn't able to do a lot of things. But in my next cash stuffing is going to be way more than what you see here, because I still have my money from January, which a lot was spent on food, but I still tried to manage my money as it was sitting there. I wasn't just, oh, I'm just going to splurge on food, which I did spend a lot of money on food, which I did not track. But for the month of February is where I am starting, and I hope you guys come along with me. And yes, so let's get started. And I'm also going to be showing you Happy Mail from Veronica from 40 Plus Life. Right? Am I saying that right? Yes, Veronica from 40 Plus Life. So let's get started. So this is my planner that I am using for this year, 2022. It says Live Life in Full Bloom. I thought it was just something simple and straight to the point. I didn't want to spend too much money. This year, that's what I'm focusing on, and I hope that I continue to be that way. So let's go into the month of February, because January is being skipped. So this is my yearly goals. So each month I am going to be setting up goals, and you're going to see in the month of February's calendar I am setting up different goals, because I'm trying to able to explore more or see which ones I can do, if that makes sense. And at the bottom of this, it says you got this, and I made this. So if you guys are interested, this is in my Etsy shop, which will be in the description below. So for the month of February, it's going to be make $50 extra, read 3 chapters in the book that I am currently reading, track your spending, pay $100 extra to debt, and of course, always thank the Lord. So this I thought was cute and something to hold me accountable. So let's see. This is January. And then February, it says no rain, no flowers. Okay, and this is my spread here. I hope I'm in frame. And this here says notes for this month. Remember why you started. Make it happen, which I said focus on debt. Save money. Read a book, which is to finish my book that I'm currently reading. 15 no spends. The goals for this month is to, of course, make extra money, do 5 videos, pay extra towards freedom, and sell 5 items anywhere across any selling apps that I am using. So February looks so pretty. And of course, I meal prepped on Sunday, which was the 30th. And it says explore and create. Tuesday, I started working out. It says rocking it. My rent was already paid, because I pay my rent at least a week before the 1st. And then everything else is empty, because I don't have too many bills to really pay. It's just certain bills are more higher than the other. So Friday, which is payday, sell is $150. And then I have a doctor's appointment on the 8th. That's for me and my daughter to do a physical. But it looks like it's only going to be me, because my daughter actually has to cheer for a game on the 8th. So it's just going to be for me to do a physical, because it's about that time. Hello weekend. I'm going to do another meal prep on the 13th, which is Thursday. Valentine's Day. And then we're going to go all the way to this day, which is a special day for my daughter. She turns 25 years old. I'm so proud of her. I love her so much. She's done taught me a lot about being a mom. And then it's payday on the 18th. And then we're going to come to the 22nd, which is cable, $112.47. And then the 26th is a credit card due, which we're going to get into that. I keep saying the next video, but I'm kind of embarrassed, but I'm going to face the embarrassment, if that makes sense. So you guys are going to see that. And then over here it says good things take time. Your vibe attracts your tribe. And I believe in that. So then we are going to jump into a spread that I decided to make. And that is this one. So this is a paycheck tracker. But how I did it was, it's going to have both paychecks on both sides. I'm not, this is not 100%. I'm just playing with it to see if it works for me. So this is how I did it. So paycheck number 1 is $780. And then I have to pay my rent, which is $281. And so these are bi-weekly because that's how I get paid, bi-weekly. Cable is I'm gonna take out $60. Cell $75, which is my phone bill. Student loan is gonna be $50. Chase is gonna be $120. Amazon is gonna be $35. So that is a total of $621 in bills. Then my envelopes is going to be groceries. I'm taking out $54. Savings $30. Emergency $15. Vacation $30. Senior dues $20. And college $10, which that is $159. And if we do the math, hopefully you guys can see this here. So it's $780. Oops. $780 take away $621. And take away $159. That is a zero-based budget. And that's how I kind of want to, I'm still going to be playing with my numbers because there's other things that I am focusing on for the next few months because, you know, my daughter is graduating this year. So I have to focus on senior dues. Emergency is always a must. Savings is always a must. Groceries is always a must. And college, because I have to put money away for my daughter's college. I don't know if she's going away. I don't know if she's staying. But we will find that out by May. And then we can take it from there. But guys, this is a struggle and I need to make extra money. And you guys are going to see why. And it's not only because of that. It's because I need to save money as well. Which I do have money in the bank. I just don't want to touch it for any other reason. I don't want to touch it for any debt. Because I feel like that's debt that I made. Like I have to pay that. So I want to pay that little by little. But you guys are going to see how I'm going to do my debt. And you're going to see the total amount that I actually owe. And the reason why I'm going to be showing you guys that is because a lot of people are out there that is in debt and is afraid to say or face it. And I want to show them that we can do this. So I'm not going to say no more. But this is my zero-based budget. So I hope you guys did enjoy this. You guys are going to see my actual cash stuffing. As you can see, it's not a lot, but it is something. So, and like I said, every little penny, dime, nickel, quarter, dollar counts towards anything you put it towards. And it grows. You know, like my plant, my money tree. She's not going to grow, but, you know. Okay, guys, let me show you my Happy Meal. Okay, so I got this from Veronica from 40 Plus Life. I opened it already and she made me tear up. And she thought of me. And I want to say thank you, Veronica. I really, really do appreciate this. Okay, guys, so we are going to start how pretty this is. She wrote me a note in here, which was so touching. I'm not going to read it to you guys, but let me show you how pretty this is. Look how pretty. And guys, if you can see, I'm trying to restore my nails and my cuticles because the gel messed up. She wrote me a letter and I'm not going to read it, but just know that I teared up and I loved it. And let me show you what this is what I'm using for my nails, and it's working. Like, my nails are growing, and some of them are still chipped a little bit, but it's not as crazy as it was before. So if you guys are interested, this will be in the description below. So let's continue. And look how pretty it has. Like makeup, nail polishes, like a palette. It's so cute. So she gave me that. She gave me one of these scrunchies that my daughter loves. She gave me Renew Hope in a jar. It says refreshing and refining moisturizer. Give me 1 sec. I'll be right back, guys. All right, guys. I am back. That was Amazon. And then this cute little card holder, which is so cute. And then a clip. Looks like a pencil. And then this is, I don't know exactly, from Lanco, but I don't know exactly what it is. And this is a lip locked priming gloss stain. And then this here, shampoo and conditioner. And then she put something in here for me. Oh, look. It's trackers. Oh my God, look how pretty. Thank you so much, Veronica. This is so nice. Everything is beautiful. This is so cute. Let me see if this fits in my... Let's see. Oh, it fits perfect inside my Merterm. It fits perfect. Yep, I'm using it for this, for the groceries, because I can track everything on the go. Thank you, girl. Thank you. And then she gave me a $500 emergency challenge. So $10 is not bad. And then she gave me this pretty little envelope. And guys, which she shouldn't have, a Starbucks gift card for $5. She is awesome. It's the little things that count. It could have just been just this, and I would have been happy, because of what she wrote. The letter would have just been just it, guys. Because if you would have... The letter made me tear up because she was just thinking about me. And that's the thought that counts, when a person thinks about you just because. So guys, this is going to be the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please go check out Veronica from 40 Plus Life and show her some love. Thank you so much, Veronica. Thank you guys for coming on to watch this video. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Until next time, guys.